And we are back. No strange sound, well, so far. And just wanted to show you the map of this Mostec Forest. So we are currently here. Lizzie! Počaki, mal. Počaki. So we are currently here. So RC Mostec, Recreational Center Mostec, which is this complex. And the Beli Hrib is basically, this. So this is, we already shown you previously, the water station. So the ski slopes, and I was planning to go, zick, here, the complete opposite side of the forest. Liza, čakamo. So we usually come by this route, zick, and here, and then go back here. But yeah, I was planning to go here, but as you can see, Liza is not cooperating today. So yeah, and she's completely freaked out. Lizzie, tuki greva, gor. Tuki. So yeah, let's go home. Well, at least we walked for some time, made a couple kilometers. But yeah, I was planning for some more. And as you can see, she's still sniffing, eyeing the location, eyeing the surrounding woods. I don't know. I was thinking sometimes deer, they can make a very strange noise, and it's deer. It just passed. I don't think that I got it, but it just crossed the road and went up. Most likely it could be a fawn, looking for mom. Echo, there is it. Two. I don't know if you can see it. Oh, the big wolf is in action now. Let's go chase them, right? Yeah. So yeah, they crossed basically tick here and went up. My huntress in action. So yeah, perhaps that was like our mating call, yeah, because we are in the, I don't know, I think it's mating season should be over, but yeah, so perhaps mystery was solved, and that's why Liza, and as you can see, the tail is up, the flag is up, no more worries, there is no more danger, or danger was identified, and now she's happy. So yeah, that's it for now.